For Fall 2025, Nike refreshes a streetwear icon with a sleek twist. The upcoming Air Force 1 Triple White drops its usual branding, removing the Nike Air on the back tab and the AF1 lace doubre, creating a cleaner, more minimalist look. The timeless silhouette remains intact, but this version features a premium leather upgrade that elevates its overall feel. Adding to the excitement, Nike brings back the rounded toe box shape from the 1990s and early 2000s, something longtime fans will instantly recognize. While the design changes are subtle, they offer a fresh take on a sneaker that's been a cultural staple for over 4 decades. Although an exact release date has yet to be confirmed, the launch is expected between July and September 2025. Whether you're a dedicated collector or just love clean, classic kicks, this refined version of the Air Force 1 is one to watch for at Nike and select retailers.